Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can Hello everyone, in today's video let's talk about the best Valorant optimization setting for FPS and performance. And of course, before you do this, make sure that your graphics card is updated to the latest version. You close out some background applications to make sure that you allocate resources for Valorant, making it run smoothly. Now, we are mainly going to be focusing on the settings for Valorant because of course we could tweak a lot of settings for Windows and it's going to be a long video. So onto your Valorant setting, head over to video. In here I suggest playing on full screen, but of course if you want to, you can also play borderless. Now for resolution, you want to play on your native, or you could maybe select stretch resolution if you want to. But for the limit FPS always, and for the NVIDIA low latency, you could click on plus boost. And for the limit FPS always, you could do something like the main refresh rate for your monitor. So in that way, your performance doesn't fluctuate that much. So for example, I'm using a 165 Hz monitor. I'm then going to set this to 180 in order for Valorant to run smoothly, so it won't go beyond 180 and it won't fluctuate that much. From there, head over to graphics quality. In here, make sure that the multi-threaded rendering is enabled. For material quality, make sure that everything is set to low. Well, you could maybe do something like high for detail quality, but of course, for maximum FPS, you then want to set everything to low. Now, for UI quality, it doesn't really matter. In my case, I want it high. For the vignette, it's your own preference. For the VSync, turn it off. Anti-aliasing is going to be MSAA4X. The anthropic filtering is going to be somewhere between 16 or 8. The improved clarity is going to be on your own preferences. The experimental sharpening off, bloom quality off, distortion off, cast shadow off. Close setting, and from there basically you have set yourself the best settings for FPS and performance. But once again, one of the most important things out there is to make sure that your graphics card is up to date. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.